Hello, my name is Mohamed Kamara, the co-founder and managing director of Freetown Innovation Lab. I am born and raised in Sierra Leone. Where, according to the World Bank, Sierra Leone generates over 130,000 tons of waste every year. And guess what? Only 6% of that waste is recycled. Majority end up in landfills, gutters, and beaches. In 2017, we lost over 1,000 lives to the 2017 mudslide. Majority of that is related to climate change and flooding. At the Freetown Innovation Lab, we found a solution to mitigate this challenge. We work with slum communities to clean riverways, gutters, and beaches. Through our trash car system, we procure waste from them, providing economic empowerment for them and enabling them to generate extra revenue. We procure this waste, which we further convert into elegant products such as furniture, eco-friendly construction material, and many more. The construction industry alone is contributing to over 40% of the global emission according to the United Nations Environmental Programme. And we are providing solutions by developing eco-friendly bricks, pavers that are crafted from waste, creating economic empowerment and improving the living standard of people living in slum communities. We are tackling the zero poverty agenda and climate mitigation challenge.